then I will restart. And that's take almost 2 days because someday network issue and I have no time. This is my reason. Not any excuse. But right now we are trying to in the morning. I will continue my testing and working. Right now we are taking one trade for there. Look, this is the resistance zone. I will find out this area, 1 hour time frame. And then I place the order and wait for the trades. Right now it's 32 in profit. I think this is the good and bad. I don't no idea. We are just checking something when this is good and bad. Let's check it. Can I sweep the sell in zero? Yeah, because this is the market structure that is very good and fantastic. Almost 1 point is back there, and I will continue to my losses. 10. Target is 10. This is happiness. Now, what is our next move? Look, we are just checking to what's the next trade in the market. Just check it. Yeah, market is at 12. Right. There is the two chances. When market goes up, we have nothing to do. Just check it, come there and look. This candle have a more liquidity than I market. Somebody said that why are not marking this area? I'm marking this area because some reason this area is more perfect. I'll come to 15 minutes and check. Okay, that is good. Now let's play a simple trade. We enter there 1857 stop loss is 44 1857 1857 stop loss is 1844 target simple 1900. You said that how to fix in target simple always fix your risk and reward 16. Okay, done and start. When you start the first time video, that is not impact because you're trying to back testing your strategy. There is time takes too long. I think I enter the trade in Monday and it's take the stop loss on Monday. Yeah, this is good for us. That's the reason I will first I will try to continue in 4 hour time frame. Then I reduce my time frame in 15 minutes. You already know about that, right? You follow my videos. You look so confident. Okay, just check it. What's the next? It's take too long, but don't worry. Just chill. Okay, can I speed up? Because that's like some sideways activity. Okay, I will take 15 minutes. Then it's going too fast. Then good. You said it. Why are you not selling there? That the reason because I have a no reason to any market to conduct. This market is sideways right now. They will look. This is concentration down, up, down, up. You find out the zone and trade it. This is my strategy, and I am working on it. That the reason I'm always practicing every day. Every day is not a continuous way. There is update. I download the Chrome and then working on it. That is good. You said that. Why are you not in Tuesday? What is your next plan? This is good. There, you said it. Now, next day. What is your idea and what is your thoughts? Right now, I have a one idea. Market break the structure, come back and goes up. Next idea is similar to market come up there and take my entry point and goes up and break down. Just simple. When you decided one trade, just focus on it. Not analyze every day. This is the reason, big reason. We are changing our trade pattern, analyze pattern like that reels. Because you watch the reel, your mind is perfectly fixing every second to new emotion. You come there. What's the matter of this? Look, when I remove this and remove this, when you come tomorrow, wow, there is a trend line. Break the trend line, check the trend line, and go down. What's the next? But in professional, he know that there is a resistance zone, this is the support zone, and the market is sideways on the market. We just wait and watch. When market is break down this level, what is the next level? What is there? We are waiting for sell. Okay. You said when you have an idea, there is the entry point. Why not you shell there? That the reason because we have not confirmed that the zone is there, not in this point. This area is only empty and some liquidity zones. That's the reason I'm not entering any point. Every day not taking trade is a good decision. Now we just go do some fast. Okay, it's Monday. Wednesday. Monday is all totally sideways. Look, it start Monday. Monday goes up and totally sideways. Now our entry is good. It's already $15, $21. One ratio one is done. Okay, just check it. Just check it and wait and watch. We remove the zone. Hmm, it's take too long. Hmm, wow, wow. Look, look, guys. This is a simple, but not a very simple. When you watch every time, your heartbeat is goes up. Oh, wow, it's $30. Now it's zero. What we do? Cut the trade and not when you fixing the trade. Don't look back. This is my strategy. I'm working on this only this because my emotional is not as strong like the another traders. We are just looking in the forward. This is the zone market. I know what's going on, but right now I'm feeling very happy. Okay, I'm trade by stop loss, but they take the my target. This is not a bad idea. We are just waiting some. Let's take my stop loss. Okay, just wait and watch. Okay, okay. I think this trade zone is not working well. Wait a second. Market is come there. This thing. Okay, I'm good. They take the old liquidity clear and is come there. Right now, we are studying the zones, how to mark the right zones. We have not another attention to. No, I'm wrong. No, I'm right. Okay, look, 15 minutes time frame. What they told us? They told us nothing. The zone is right in front of us, and market is goes up. They take the our stop losses. What is the next plan? Nothing. We have no plan because this is already in top. You look, market come there is the too long race. Somebody said that when they break the structure, that the reason market go down. Just check the big time frame. Okay, there is a chance the market come up. No, market goes up. How you tell that? Is this because they have not another rejection? Next level is down is there. But I think this take long time, so we just wait and watch. We have idea market is goes up, But where? This is the craziest question right now. Where? Oh, good. Let's take it to Rakai. Only this single candle can break my stop loss when my target is achieved. Okay, we take almost 2 3 days off. It's already to June. Okay, so goodbye. See you later.